So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, followed by the rev counter, the speedometer, and fuel gauge. In the centre, just to the right-hand side at the bottom there, you'll see the total miles for this car. They are 8,020. Now, you can change, firstly, the layout of your display, if you wish to. So you've got a few different choices, which eventually will take you back around to the beginning again. But you can also change the information that's displayed within these sections as well. So you can see, for example, I've changed that information in the centre just there. You can go through various different menus as well. So if you wanted to, for example, you could have your audio displayed there. The buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have stereo controls over that side as well. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the centre, we then have the main touchscreen for the car. So we're on the radio menu at the moment. Down the bottom here, you can see we've got FM and DAB radio, internet radio as well. If you're listening to your own music, you can do so via Bluetooth audio. My Media is where you can set up your own playlists as well. And whether you go through the media or the radio heading, you've got exactly the same options as you can see. To pair your phone, just hit the phone button and follow the instructions on screen from there. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up quickly or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set down here. And we have our heated rear screen as well. Beneath that, we have some storage, a 12-volt charging socket and two USB-C inputs there. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox. And down here, this button will turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. Press that button to turn the system off, and the system is off when that orange light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliance car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.